Heyo, welcome back. Or welcome in. I keep saying that. Welcome back. I don't know that anybody's, if you've not watched us before, I'm Michael.
And I'm Michael.
And we're Michael and Michael. And we've got a rather huge project today. We're going to be planting this bed and this bed. All of our arbs are going to eventually fill this in, but we can't leave it just dirt. No, that wouldn't be right. So we've got 4 flats, so 40 plants, 40 Supertunia Bordeaux.
Yes.
We love the Bordeaux.
They are very, very pretty.
Yeah,
I love the purple.
Yeah, and we did them last year, and we've got purple in these. If you haven't watched this video, planting up these unique stone urns and pots, please go back and take a look at that. We've got our yellow, our purple, that'll tie in with our purple because these are all together. So we think this is going to be really nice. We're also doing snapdragons. These are Potomac ivory. We grew them from seed. You can go back and take a look at those videos as well. And they were from Johnny's Seeds. We've never used them before, so they're going to be new to us. You're going to use your imagination because they're still seedlings.
Yep, they're babies.
Yeah, they're little tiny things. So they will grow quickly and they will start flowering probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks, something like that. Yeah. And we also have Creeping Jenny that we're going to be using in these beds. Now, word of warning.
I refer to it as Jessica.
It's Creeping Jessica for you. Yeah, it's Creeping Jenny. But if you've used Creeping Jenny before, let us know how it's worked out for you. Let us know in the comments what you think of it. Also, the Bordeaux. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I'd really like to know, what are your favorite Supertunias or petunias in general? It's one of our favorite flowers, so we're always in the lookout for new varieties and new colors and new styles. So let us know in the comments what you use. We'd love to hear that. But the Jenny or Jessica, be very, very careful with it. It will spread like wildfire.
Yeah.
So we intend, now this is perennial for us here in Zone 7. It will winter over. It will turn very brown and it will die back, but it will come right back out, no problem. I'm going to pull these at the end of the season. I have no need for them after that. I don't want them in the beds because they're going to spread like crazy. Also, if you cut them or trim them, pick up all your pieces and toss them.
Like they will root in, and it doesn't matter where the droppings are, if it's in gravels or whatever. They will start to sprout little minis. For sure. Like they're in our driveway, they're everywhere.
Near our building, our outbuilding, underneath the shade, like they're everywhere. We are using them in our pond because they're a little bit more controllable there. I have them in small pots and they'll float on the water, in the water. So the pot goes in the water. They don't have an option to spread. So I love them there, but anywhere where there's dirt, be careful. So anyway, enough of that. We're going to get our soil ready. So I'm going to use Biotone in every spot that we're planting today. And I'm going to use our slow release fertilizer, which is Kabloom. Comes from our local garden center. It is branded by them, but I'm sure you can probably get it pretty much anywhere. Evergreen Colonial Heights, that's where we got these plants today. And the Kabloom as well. Special shout out to Jessica at Evergreen Colonial Heights. Amazing for her. She saved these plants for me. Got them right off the truck. I think we got all they had because we needed 4 flats.
Yeah, we ordered it. We got them all.
Yeah, I just mentioned it to her, and then the next thing I know, I have an email, and she's like, "Hey, I got your plants." Yes, thank you, Jessica, for that. We appreciate you. They always do well by us for that stuff. So anyway, we're going to get this in the ground. The snapdragons will only get... Actually, no, I think I'll do the slow release on the snapdragons as well. For the Jenny, I'm not going to do any fertilizer. They don't need it. Don't use it. Don't waste it on those plants because they're going to grow regardless. They don't bloom. They don't have flowers.
No, it's so nice greenery.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful chartreuse green. I do love the color. And you'll see that as we go. It's in our, probably going to be in our thumbnail as well. So anyway, enough of us talking. I know we talk a lot. So if you don't like that, let us know in the comments and we'll try to stop talking so much, but we really enjoy being here with you guys. So anyway, enough of that. You ready to play it? Let's get it done. Okay, we're going to take a short break from that and show you our placement. So we're doing arb, and then right in the center, we're just doing a straight line of our Bordeaux and Snapdragon. So again, these are the ones we grew from seed. Use your imagination. They're going to be beautiful, creamy white blooms. These are going to get really tall, so they'll probably be taller than our arbs, which is fine. These things are growing. I mean, this is all new growth since we put them in, like all of this. And then we're doing our Bordeaux in the front, and then a Bordeaux in the back. So these will grow together. They will flow over the edge. We've got our creeping Jenny in front of each plant. Don't let your Supertunias or anything else get up into your arbs if you're going to do something like this. So be very, very careful. It will smother it out. They will die back. You don't want that. So we'll be very careful. If I need to prune them away, I'll prune them away. But these are going to get gigantic. Like these will fill in this space 100%. I could probably have put one in the middle and it would fill this whole thing up. But I wanted some height in here as well with some blooms. So that's what we've got. We did our slow release and our biotone as well in our holes. So now we're going to get them in the ground.
We are done.
That was a lot.
Yes, that was a lot.
That was our longest project. That was our longest project and probably our shortest video.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, we got it in. As you can see as we went, the purple with that creeping Jenny.
So pretty.
Oh, it's going to be so good with that bright green and the bright almost yellow of the Jenny and then the purple. We almost have all four colors that you want in the landscape. We are missing red. We've got the blue of the purple. We've got the bright green of the chartreuse yellow of the Jenny. We've got the blue of the Supertunia and the purple, and the green and the Arbs.
Yep.
I think I said too many things there, but the only thing we're missing is red. We're not doing any.
I don't think we have anything red.
No, we don't need any red. No red today for us. So
besides his shirt.
Besides my shirt. I never wear red, y'all.
He doesn't.
I don't. I'm on a diet journey and I don't have anything that fits, and I'm still on that journey. So I apologize for my clothes. You're going to get what you're going to get. Some may look pretty slouchy. Can't really help it, but I'm doing what I can to be a little bit more healthy. So anyway, we're going to take you through the garden here. We'll show a few clips of what this looks like. This is, by the way, this is 64
feet.
64 feet.
Space.
Yes, we did 22 arbs. We've got 40 Supertunias. We did 2 flats of the, I think there was 24 of the Jessica.
Yeah.
Jenny. You got me saying Jessica.
The Jenny.
The Jenny. We do have this area on drip. We run it once a day because it gets very dry down here. This is the bottom of our driveway as well. If you haven't seen our other videos, we're at the bottom of our driveway. This is our lane back here, our road, our main road, which is dirt. Yes, we live in the country. And then our driveway will be eventually in front of us where we are now. So it is on drip. The arbs are brand new. Really just put them in a couple months ago. They've already put on a lot of growth. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already,
like, comment, and subscribe.
Let us know below if you like this look.
Yeah, let us know.
We appreciate you. See you next time.
Bye.